picture of Lily? Lily, can I take a picture of you?
No. Come on.
Are you guys hiding from the camera? Don't you want to be famous? Come on. Don't you want to be famous? Come on.
No. Get out of here. We are hurting us.
I'm hurting you?
Go.
By taking your picture?
Yeah.
That is crazy
Go.
talk.
I'm here.
Oh, they're moving. You cannot escape the camera. You cannot escape the camera.
Yeah.
No, you cannot escape it.